Good morning children, welcome to mathematics class. So yesterday we have started the lesson number 4, that is addition and subtraction up to 9, and we solved some problem also. Today we will discuss on the number combination. Okay, so writing numbers in different combinations. Page number 193. Number combination, they have given an example. 5 can be written as the sum of two numbers, that is 0 plus 5 or 1 plus 4 or 2 plus 3 or 3 plus 2 or 4 plus 1 or 5 plus 0. Similarly, 3 can be written as the sum of two numbers, 3 plus 0 or 2 plus 1 or 1 plus 2 or 0 plus 3. So number combination. Number combinations. For example, 5. 5 can be written like this also, 4 plus 1 or 1 plus 4. 3 plus 2 or 2 plus 3. Yes? Or I can write like 2 plus 3, 1 plus 4, already written. Next 3 plus 2, 2 plus 3, or 5 plus 0, 0 plus 5. These are all the combinations of writing numbers in different combinations. Okay. 3 also see, 3 can be written 3 plus 0 or 0 plus 3, 1 plus 2 or 2 plus 1. Yes? Quick check. Rahul have 3 balls and Rima have 5 balls. How many balls they both have? First picture they have given 3 balls. So that is Rahul's balls. And then 5 balls of Rima. All together. Count the balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you should write here answer 8. Next, mental math. Write the numbers 2 and 4 as the sum of two numbers. Write the numbers 2 and 4 as the sum of two numbers. A, 2. First one they have done it. 0 plus 2 plus and dash plus dash. So 2 how can be written? 2 plus something is equal to 2. So, if I add something to 2, answer should be 2. So, that is 0. 2 plus 0 is 2. Next, 0 plus 2 is also 2. Next, 1 plus 1 is also 2. So, write these answers in your textbook. Got it? Next, B, 4. Zero plus dash, 4 plus dash, dash plus 1, 2 plus dash, and here also dash plus 3. So 4 in which combinations we can write? This is 4. First 4 plus something is equal to 4 means this will become 0. 0 plus something is equal to 4. So this has to be 4. 3 plus something is equal to 4 means the answer is 1. 1 plus 3. Next, Next, turn the page. More addition sums. Let's make number 2. 2 plus 0, 1 plus 1. Let's make number 3. 3 plus 0, 1 plus 2, 2 plus 1. Let's make number 4. 4 plus 0, 3 plus 1, 2 plus 2, 1 plus 3. Write a digit in the blank space to make number 5. Number 5. 0 plus 3 plus 2 plus 5 plus 4 plus 1 plus. Write a digit in the blank space to make number 7. Second one. Write a digit in blank space to make number 7. Okay? Questions are 7 plus blank, 4 plus 0 plus 2 plus 6 plus 3 plus 5. Now this is the examples to make the number 5, and these are the examples to make 7. So 0 plus how much is equal to 5? 0 plus 5 is equal to 5. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. 5 plus 0 is equal to 5. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. Write these answers in your textbook. Now we should make number 7. 7 plus 0 is equal to 7. 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. 0 plus again 7 is equal to 7. 2 plus 5. 6 plus 1. 3 plus 4. 5 plus 2. These are the different combinations to write the numbers. Okay. Sometimes we can write 2 plus 5 is equal to 7, or 7 plus 2 is equal to 7. Okay. 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. 7 plus 0 is equal to 7. Or 0 plus 7 is equal to 7. These are the combinations to write the numbers in different way. So write these answers in your textbook. Next, subtraction using real objects and pictures. Minus sign shows subtraction. It is the process of taking things away. Out of 5 apples, they take away 2 apples. 3 apples are left. Out of 8 ice creams, take away 4 ice cream. So how many are left? There are 4 ice creams are left. Next, come to the quick check. Fill the correct digit in the given box. There are out of first box, cups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now see, out of means how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Out of 6 cup plates, take away cup plates, take away they have shown the dots. How many? 1, 2, 3. They have taken away 3 cups. 1, 2, 3. 3 cups plates. So, how many cups plates are left? See, 1, 2, 3. There are 3 cup plates are left away. First box you write 6 and then 3 and then 3. Next B. Mango. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many mangoes are there? Away dash mangoes dash mangoes are left. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Out of 6 mangoes, take away 2 mangoes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 mangoes are left. Got it? First box should be 6 and then 2 and then 4. Subtraction using symbol minus. This is a symbol minus used to do subtraction. Got it? Next, look at the textbook. 5 strawberries minus 3 strawberries and left over 2 strawberries. Horizontal subtraction and vertical subtraction. Let us find 7 minus 3 by drawing lines. Okay, we'll do subtraction, which will be denoted by this symbol. This symbol stands for subtraction. Okay. There are 5 strawberries, horizontal subtraction and minus, they took away 3 strawberries and how many left? So shall we do this by putting lines? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 strawberries are there. So how many have taken away? 3. So 1, 2, 3. 3 numbers you cross it. How many are remaining? Answer is 2. So this only we will do vertically. 5 minus 3. This is horizontal and this is vertical. Okay. Now 5 strawberries. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 strawberries. How many have eaten? 3. 1, 2, 3. So how many left? 2 have left. So this is called as subtrahend. Which number will be big? That is subtrahend. This is minuend and this is difference. What the answer we will get? This is known as difference. So the big number is subtrahend, the small number is minuend and the answer is difference. So we have done the subtraction by horizontally. More subtraction terms. 1 less than 4, 2 less than 6. Difference between 6 and 5, difference between 7 and 2. So take away 4 from 6, take away 3 from 9. These are the model of questions to be asked for subtraction. Now quick check. Okay, we'll go for quick check. These are the subtraction by doing horizontally. 9 minus 7, 8 minus 3, next 3 minus 1, 7 minus 5, next 7 minus 3, 6 minus 2, 5 minus 1, 4 minus 2. Okay. By putting line 1 they have done for us. So do it. 9. The big number you should identify. That is 9. Those many lines you should draw. See. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We should do minus 7. So 7 lines you should cross. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 has crossed. How many are remaining? 2 lines are remaining. Next, 8 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Minus 3 we should do. So 1, 2, 3. 3 you crossed it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is left. Next, 3 lines. Minus 1. So cross 1. How many are remaining? 2. Next 7. Minus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many left? 2. Yes. Come to this 7 minus 3. Minus 3. 1, 2, 3. So 3 numbers you should cross. 1, 2, 3, 4 is remaining. Next 6. 6 minus 2. 2 lines crossed. 1, 2, 3, 4 is remaining. Next 5 minus 1. Minus 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Next 4 minus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. So what is remaining? 2. This is subtraction horizontally. And tomorrow we will discuss about subtraction vertically. In the book has given vertical subtraction. Let us find 5 minus 3 by drawing lines. Arrange one number under the other number. 5 minus 3. Beside the first number, we will put 5 lines. Now cross 3 lines from the 5 lines. Count the remaining numbers of lines. So the result of subtracting the numbers 5 and 3 is 2. This is the subtraction vertically. This we will discuss tomorrow. Okay. And the previous lessons also you should keep it in your mind. By heart the spellings of solids, cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone, semicircle, triangle, rectangle, square, these all things, and by heart tables 2 to 15. Okay. Thank you.